Hello everyone. Welcome back to PDMS for Beginner channel. This is Mr. Ton. Have a nice day. In previous video we finished setup project configuration. Today we will study about line numbering setup. First of all, open the file we finished setup project configuration before. We click Spec View to open Cadworx Spec View. Cadworx Spec View open, we click Setup. Or we can choose Setup on Toolbar menu. Using the category pull-down menu on the left, Add, Service, and Count fields to set the line numbering system by clicking the Add button. Drag the Service field to be under the dash under size and drag Count to be below Service. You will need to add a separator value to create the dash in between each field. Drag one of the separator dashes so that one is between Service and Count. Drag the second separator dash so that it is between Count and Spec. Now we will study three cases of line numbering system. First is System Off. When we choose line numbering system off, the pipe will not have the line number. You can see that pipe have not line number. Second is System On, Dynamic Size/Spec. A dynamic line number system will update the line number drawn dynamically. We need to set up Service and Count here. You can put PR meaning process line, FW meaning fire water line, or IA meaning instrument line. You can put some number to count here. Line number was show when we choose System On here. For dynamic option, when we change the main size, the line number was updated automatically. And the final option is System On, Static Size/Spec. When we choose this option, the line number was not updated since the main size changed. Yeah, that is all things about line numbering system in Cadworx. Thank you for your watching. And see you soon.